let's learn about paths. Oh, did I miss one? One thing to note on a path like this, if it's supposed to look natural, then there should be little bits outside to spread it out and make it look like you're part of a... Because right now it looks like you're walking along a mountain ridge, which not really, because a mountain ridge wouldn't have trees like that. So... Yeah, that 3-column, for any kind of fighting, it helps you, I don't know, with dash, since they added dash, it makes it easier to get around enemies. But yeah, trying to fight on a single width path is maddening. Spots cause it. What spots? Yeah, definitely. Especially with ranged units. You're clicking around wildly and you keep clicking on these things instead of what you're trying to fight. Maddening. That's a good tip. Yeah, good looking map. Really good points. The only thing I would detract a little is because there's no side decorations. Maybe that's because you ran out of what do you call it? Resources to build with. But yeah, good shard.